Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicweb.com, making this video about the weekly recap. Today is Sunday early morning, Saturday. So let's get started. These are the trades for this week. So starting Monday, 18th November. Pound USD, it was going up. This was the entry last Friday before the week started, and then continue into the Monday. Pound USD from 7-minute chart. Next is Pound Aussie. All pound was getting strong actually, and all pound pair went up. Okay, so Pound Aussie here on the 18th also, and then Pound Aussie also same thing. All pound pair went up on the 18th here, and Pound Yen, beautiful long right all the way to the upside. So this is the end of the pound to the upside, and then on the 19th I made a chart of this pound index saying that okay, enough is enough, we have gone to the upside enough, and then maybe we go a little bit more, one more time, maybe on like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday but then eventually this the outer TL will stop it and then send it back down, and then all yen pair will be going down after that. So let's see if that happened or not. So for now here, euro was getting strong, Aussie was weak. So this is the 20-minute chart on the 18th. We are still going on in 18th. Very nice, beautiful by the book entry and the trade, 80 pips. On the 18th again, euro Aussie, this is a second entry. This was the first one, and then now it retraced a little bit and gave me a second entry. And here USD CAD was going up from here, right on the 19th. Now we are into the 19th. So and the 19th NUSI USD, I usually don't trade this pair, but nothing else was working that day, so I said I might as well just take this one, right? And then you can see that pound on the 19th I made the chart that the probably pound is going to make the turn to the downside, and all pound pair will be going down. That's what the chart I made here. All pound pair will be going down, and I made it on 19th. So starting that drama here, pound NUSI to the downside now. Euro Aussie continue going to the upside. That was the entry here, and then retrace, and then another entry here. And this is on the 20th. And then Aussie NUSI, that's solely based on Aussie weakness on the 20th. And then again, EURCAD, CAD got very weak, and then going, like USD CAD was going up, and then EURCAD and Pound CAD and all that. So you see, Pound CAD, even though Pound was weak, but CAD news came out actually. I think the governor or somebody came out, and they were talking about something that made the CAD, Canadian dollar, very weak, and all those pairs where the CAD was on the right hand side went up. So on the 21st, this pound CAD went up actually. Later on it came down, but on the 21st it went up. Then see on the 22nd, this was an up move, and then what happened 22nd was pound really start getting weaker, and then boom, you see the beautiful down move, and then 20-minute setup, and then came down again. That's the drama started on the weakness of the pound. My chart here, this is the chart. So now the pound is getting weaker, and then start watching here. This is pound CAD. Pound Aussie did the same thing, right? Because of the pound, it went down 22nd November. And then pound NUSI, not a big trade, but something, right? The sell order here, beautiful entry though, and the system is just amazing. And then Euro USD also went down because of the euro weakness. So it's a nice trade to the downside here. But all 3 pound trades I took, but then 2 are still running, pound yen and pound USD. Let me show you the charts, but the live trades are on the other computer, the other account, so I didn't make the chart yet because they are still running. So this is the pound USD. Look at how many beautiful entry here, entry here, keep dropping nicely. And also if you look at the pound yen, did the same thing, entry here, but this is by the book entry here and all the way down. So like I said, all pound pair went down very nicely on the 19th, and this chart, my index chart, it hasn't even moved yet. It's just a little bit to the downside. So if it goes all the way here, then pound is going to get crushed and all pound pair are going to drop like crazy. So that's what I'll be looking at next week. Okay, so this is it for now. Another chart that I made, the weekly chart, is pound yen, and that's why I took the pound short, because it's going down to 61%, 4,000, very big level, and the TL all are there, and with a little bit of pound weakness, it started to come down already. So let's see how far it goes, right? So this is it for now, and if you like what you saw, go on my website, subscribe. Today is Saturday, Sunday, you can set up the charts and start trading like this, and you know, be a part of my Telegram channel. This is how, you know, this my channel is here, right? So I keep posting here the charts and the, you know, trade setups. Like, see these, I posted here pound yen, and then you said that, well, this is gonna go down. Pound index chart is here, yen index chart is here, right? All of those you know, nice setups I post here. This was GC weekly chart, also very nice, you know, making a turn. Trade was here, short trade. This is the profile. So yeah, you know, it's Telegram channel, helps a lot, you know, keep you on track what's happening. Time to time I post there. So this is it for now, and thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.